Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. So the All India 50% round one cutoff is ready. Okay, and I'm giving you the comparison with last year. So the red color cutoff you can see is last year, and the blue color one you are looking at is 2022 round one. So obviously you can see so much of positive shift. Let me tell you about some of the branches like top clinical branch, radio diagnosis. Last year for general category it was close up to 2077, and this year 2104. For OBC it was 388, and this year 4006. For EWS there is a negative shift due to more number of candidates got EWS certificate this year. Dermatology, there is positive shift by like around 500. In OBC also you can see positive shift by around 600, and in EWS negative shift. General medicine you can see positive shift by around 400, and in OBC positive shift by around 100. In EWS you can see negative shift. In general surgery there is positive shift, so much of positive shift by around 1800. In OBC category positive shift by around 3000 rank, and in EWS there is positive shift by around 14 to 1500. In pediatrics there is positive shift by 650, and in OBC category there is positive shift you can see by around 500, and in EWS category there is positive shift by around 1900. Okay, in OBGY you can see so much of positive shift this year around 2300, so much of positive shift 2300 in general category, and in OBC category also you can see around 1400 positive shift, and EWS category around 2500 positive shift. So OBG branch, general surgery, these two surgical branches have got positive shift, it means less demand. And orthopedics also you can see positive shift, huge positive shift by around 2000 in general category, and in OBC category positive shift by around 3500. In EWS category also you can see positive shift by 1000. So you can see the demand for surgical branches has reduced, and coming to TB and chest, that respiratory medicine has also got positive shift. So most of the clinical subjects have got positive shift. In TB and chest for UR category the positive shift is by around 900, and in OBC category is around 400, and in EWS category around 1300. In ENT, another surgical branch, has got positive shift by more than 2000 rank in general category. In OBC category it's almost same as last year. In EWS category around 1000, around 900 positive sheet. Ophthalmology, another surgical branch, it has got positive sheet by around 3000. In OBC category the positive sheet by around 1600, and in EWS category from 19,000 to 20,000, around 1000 positive sheet. Radiotherapy, last year it got close up to 13,856 in first round, this year 18,035, so around 4,500 shift. Okay, and in OBC category also around 3000, and EWS category by 7,000. Pathology, so much of positive shift you can say by 7,000 in general category, and in OBC category around 3000, and EWS category by around 3000. Psychiatric medicine, positive shift by around 4000, more than 4000 in general category, and OBC category around 1000, in EWS category around 6000. Okay, emergency medicine, so positive shift everywhere. There is no branch where you could see negative shift except few of the branches like radio, dermatology, and general medicine in EWS category. So this is the complete analysis. Okay, if you want you can take the screenshot, and I'll create a similar video for DNB, diploma and deemed university. So thanks for watching, have a nice day.